In this video, I will show you how to draw a small single-story house, two-bedroom house, one bath, kitchen, and it's going to have a gable roof on it. And I'm just kind of going off of a sketch that I already did. I made another video for it. I will put a link here if you want to check that video out. But it's just going to be a rectangular shaped house. I'm going to grab my exterior wall tool. Maybe about 30 feet by 20. Come over, up. And I have my exterior wall, so I'm going to have to switch to my interior wall tool. I'm going to draw one down the center, one for the kitchen. We're going to have a kitchen, dining room, and a family room or living room here. And then we're going to have two bedrooms and a bathroom. Let's go ahead and see what our measurements are for the outside. Click on the auto exterior dimensions, and we can see 7 foot's a little too small for this. I'm going to move this wall over a little. Bathroom, 5 foot's probably going to be fine, but 10 foot's going to be a little too big. But the bathrooms are going to need, or the bedrooms are going to need to be a little larger than 10 foot. Same with the living room. Going to be need to be a little larger. Let's go out there. 12 foot. Make it a little larger. Bedroom here. Let's go out. Something like that. This will be a good place to start. Kitchen is obviously huge here, you know, for a kitchen. But again, we're working with what we have here. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll kind of move this over here. Get the bedrooms about the same size. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is draw a wall in here. Maybe we can use this as a closet for the bedroom here. We only need about 8 foot for our bathroom. So let's grab the wall, come in here, go back to our dimensions, see what we got. 7'6" isn't bad. 4 foot's a little tight for a closet, but again, it's a small house, so we can work with it. And we could always have this as a closet here, and then put another closet in if we wanted to, if this wasn't going to be enough closet space for this particular room. Or we could always take this wall and move it a little farther this way if we want this to be a little wider closet. I'm going to click back to the arrow here. So here we have a basic floor plan, and we can go ahead and start putting our doors and windows in, or working on our kitchen or our bathroom, either way, to continue on from here, unless you want to figure out, you know what, hey, you know that you need 14 feet for your living room. Your dining room table is huge. You know, you're going to have to bring this out a little farther. Then you can make those adjustments right now, but you're always going to be able to change that. You're always going to be able to pull that over. It's not going to be a problem, or I should say too much of a problem. So let's go ahead and grab some doors, regular doors here. Let's put a entry door in. This is where we're going to come in. Obviously we don't need a single door. Why that's drawing that in there is a little ridiculous. Opening, we'll put an opening into the kitchen. Another door, we'll put a door for the back here. And remember, we can change the swing on the door down here, coming in. And you can see here where this is going to be blocking the bathroom. If we have this here, we might want to move the door over to here, switch it back, and again, we'll see if this will work for the kitchen. If not, we might have to put it in the center here or do something else here. Let's go ahead and put our door in. Wow, it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Must be the standard size on the door here. There it is. Okay, let's go with 30 inches. 30 inches, and we'll move it over to here. Move it all the way over there. Back to this, 30. Okay. Move it over here. Just in case this door here needs to move back here, then we might be able to move the wall out a little further, and change the bathroom, the shape of the bathroom, if necessary also. Gonna need a door for the closet. We'll put some sliding doors in here. And another door here. I'm guessing that my default is a 4-foot door here, by the way, 30 inches. Okay, we need to switch the swing on that. We're going to come down here and just push that. So here we have an opening in here, and our doors coming in here. The only thing we don't have is a closet in here. And if we want, we can put a closet. We can move this over a little more and put a closet, a larger closet in on one side of the wall, and even put a closet in on the other side of the wall also. But I'm going to leave the closets out for now. Just have one closet in here. And again, this is all stuff you can change whenever you want. Hey, I don't want this door. I'm just going to delete it. I want a window here, window here, window here. Going to have a window over here. Got to have a window into the backyard. Window in each bedroom, and then you could always have a window over here. So that's pretty much it for our floor plan design until we start to get technical with putting the bathroom and the kitchen together. But this is a good place to start. In the next part, we'll go over the cabinets and the roof.